2 weeks ago, I posted this photo on my Instagram account and instantly my DMs just blew up. I'm even receiving some up until this morning. There are no edits on this photo. There's no filters, no sorts of sorcery at all. There's one particular product I started using to just give my complexion this radiant, beautiful glow. And today I'm sharing that with you. Also, I do have a wallet-friendly alternative. Hi, my name is Lauren O'Connell and I am the skincare stylist. Welcome. I have always been so self-conscious about the texture on my skin, all the way back to my preteen days, which let me tell you, was a long time ago because I am 37 years old now. My skin was kind of like sandpaper, the texture, just lots of little bumps. And in certain lighting, oh my gosh, it's so obvious. And honestly, when I was younger, I used to feel so ashamed. So I used physical exfoliators for the longest time, but if you read anything on the internet about chemical versus physical, you can see that chemical exfoliators really are the way of the future. They're better for the skin. And I knew that I had to just kind of hop onto that train. I'll be honest with you though, the two words chemical exfoliators sound terrifying to me. And I avoided it for a while, and then finally I said, you know what, I just gotta dive into this. But I was worried that my skin was going to turn red, it would burn, would my skin fall off, would I ruin my skin forever? So I did what I always do, and that is a lot of evidence-based research. I am a biomechanical engineer and I do have a master's of science in nursing. I am very familiar with research and that is just my go-to. I realized lactic acid was probably the right way for me to go. It's a more mild exfoliation. The actual molecule size is a little bit bigger, so it doesn't penetrate as deep into the skin. And which really got me is that lactic acid stimulates ceramide production. Ceramides just help to really moisturize the skin. They add a lot of moisture. So the lactic acid, aside from stimulating the ceramides, it's going to essentially just get rid of all the dead skin we have on the surface of our face. We all have it. I have it right now, so do you. And it's going to just reveal that baby skin underneath to give us more of a beautiful, radiant complexion. Lactic acid helps to even out the skin tone, and it also helps to stimulate collagen production. Come on, could this get any better? Because collagen production is going to make our skin firmer, and with the firmer skin, we're going to have a reduction in the appearance of our fine lines and wrinkles, and you know how I feel about those fine lines and wrinkles. I want them out of there. So a few months ago, I purchased a lactic acid night serum. It is the Biossance Squalane and Lactic Acid Resurfacing Night Serum. If you watch any of my videos, you know how much I love the Biossance line. I really think it is one of the best ones out there. It's so anti-aging and it has really transformed my skin. I use their eye gel every morning and night too. I have a lot of videos on Squalane and what Squalane does for the skin. If you're over the age of 25, I highly recommend that you add this into your skincare routine because our bodies naturally produce squalene, which is part of what keeps our skin moisturized and lubricated. When we're 25, production goes down and we need to replace it to keep our skin just looking so youthful, healthy, glowy, plumped up, and Squalane is just the way to go. Watch those videos. I have all the science on there behind it, but highly recommend it. This product is also packed, I looked at all the ingredients, of course. I am the ingredients queen, and it is just packed with emollients and humectants, and all of these ingredients are going to help to really just smooth out those fine lines and wrinkles and plump them up. So started using this, and I've had a fantastic experience. If you're on the fence, I say go for it. However, if you feel like, okay, I really want to add lactic acid, but this is $62. I mean, come on. And it's really expensive and you just don't have that to spend, Don't feel bad about it. I have an alternative. And I've been using this one too, just to make sure that they do work. I'm never gonna just say something that I haven't tried myself. This is by the Inky List, and this is their lactic acid. Now it looks small, but this actually is 30 milliliters, which is the price of which is the size of the Biossance one I just showed you. They do also have a little Squalane, and this one, the lactic acid, is $12.99, and the Squalane is $11.99. They're both 30 milliliters. So what I've been doing is combining them together and just putting it on my skin the same way I do with the Biossance. So in comparing these two, I do like the Biossance better. I feel like it is a better product and it gives me better results. However, the Inky List combination is also good. It just feels like it's not quite as strong. I'm not getting as much of the exfoliation and the glow. Does it work? Yes. So if you want to kind of get into it, but you don't really want to cough up the $62, by all means, try these ones out and see how the lactic acid works for your skin. Oh, my son's here right now. Come here. Come here. Be normal. 1, 2, 3. Oh my God, it's getting so big. How does mommy's skin look?
Amazing.
Amazing?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Say hi to everybody.
Hi.
This is Jack. He's 8 years old. He's a wild guy, but I love him so much.
Your skin is so beautiful right now.
Oh, thank you. So with that being said, I feel like lately I've just been on a roll with finding amazing products. And look at this before and after. I just posted this in my most recent video. Can you see the difference of that little fine line under my eye? The after, it really has been reduced. Once again, no edits, no filters. I don't do any of that stuff. So if you want to know what product that is, by all means, check it out right here. Here's the video. Stop by, give it a like, and don't forget to say hello.